Free zone employee law versus MOHRE, key differences in complaint process. 1. Understanding free zone versus MOHRE employment. The UAE has two main types of employment structures: mainland, more regulated, employment, and free zone employment. The primary difference lies in the governing authority that oversees labor regulations, contracts, dispute resolution, and benefits. 2. Key differences between free zone and MOHRE employment. 1. Governing authority. MOHRE, mainland employment. Employees working for companies registered in mainland UAE are governed by MOHRE, Ministry of Human Resources and Emiratization, under Federal Decree Law No. 33 of 2021 on the Regulation of Labor Relations, UAE Labor Law. Free zone employment. Employees in free zones are regulated by the specific free zone authority where their company is registered. MOHRE does not govern free zone workers unless a free zone company is licensed to operate in mainland UAE. 2. Employment contracts. MOHRE employees. MOHRE mandates fixed-term contracts with specific conditions outlined in the UAE labor law. The contract is registered with MOHRE, and any disputes must follow UAE labor regulations. Free zone employees. Contracts vary based on the free zone's specific rules. While some free zones follow UAE labor law guidelines, others may have unique termination conditions, benefits, and notice periods. The contract is registered with the respective free zone authority, not MOHRE. 3. Work permits and visas. MOHRE employees. Work permits and visas are issued through MOHRE and linked to the employer's mainland trade license. The employer directly sponsors the employee's visa. Free zone employees. Work permits and visas are issued by the free zone authority, which acts as the sponsor. Some free zones allow companies to issue employment visas linked to the free zone, while others provide flexibility for remote work arrangements. 4. Dispute resolution and complaints. MOHRE employment. Disputes are handled through MOHRE's labor dispute resolution system. If the issue is not resolved at MOHRE, it moves to the labor court. Free zone employment. Employees must first file a complaint with their free zone authority. If not resolved, the dispute may be escalated to specialized free zone courts like DIFC, Dubai, or ADGM, Abu Dhabi, or referred to the UAE Civil Court. 5. Gratuity and end-of-service benefits. MOHRE employees. Gratuity is calculated as per UAE labor law, 21 days of basic salary per year for the first 5 years of service. 30 days of basic salary per year for service exceeding 5 years. Free zone employees. Some free zones follow the UAE gratuity law, while others may have customized policies regarding end-of-service benefits. Certain free zones provide alternative savings schemes instead of gratuity payouts. Where to file a complaint. Filing a complaint as a MOHRE, mainland, employee. MOHRE provides multiple ways for employees to file labor complaints. MOHRE call center. Dial 600-590-000 and speak with a representative. MOHRE mobile app. Register a complaint online. Tashil or Taji centers. Visit a service center to file a formal complaint. Labor court. If MOHRE mediation fails, the case moves to the labor court in the emirate where the company operates. MOHRE complaints are typically resolved within 14 days. If no resolution is reached, it is escalated to the labor court, where a final verdict is given based on UAE labor regulations. Filing a complaint as a free zone employee. Each free zone has its own dispute resolution system. Employees must file complaints directly with their respective free zone authority. Below are examples of how complaints are handled in some major free zones. Dubai free zones. 1. JAFZA, Jebel Ali Free Zone Authority. Complaints must be filed with JAFZA's labor dispute section. If unresolved, it may be referred to Dubai courts. DMCC, Dubai Multi-Commodities Center. Employees must register a dispute with DMCC's dispute center. If no resolution is reached, the case may escalate to Dubai courts or DIFC courts. 2. DIFC, Dubai International Financial Center. DIFC follows common law for employment disputes. Cases are handled by DIFC courts, independent of MOHRE. Abu Dhabi Free Zones. ADGM, Abu Dhabi Global Market. Employment disputes are handled by ADGM courts, based on common law. Khazad, Khalifa Industrial Zone. Abu Dhabi. Complaints must be lodged with the KIZAD authority before any legal escalation. Sharjah Free Zones. 1. Sharjah Airport International Free Zone, Safe Zone. Employees must approach Safe Zone's Labor Department. If the dispute is unresolved, it may be taken to Sharjah Labor Court. Other Emirates. Each Emirates free zones have their own dispute resolution mechanisms, but if no resolution is found, the case may be referred to the civil court system. Steps to file a free zone complaint. 1. Attempt to resolve the issue with the employer internally. 2. File a formal complaint with the Free Zone Authority's Labor Department. 3. If unresolved, escalate the case to the Free Zone's dispute resolution body. 4. For further legal action, take the case to DIFC, ADGM, or UAE Civil Court, depending on the Free Zone's jurisdiction. 5. Key takeaways. More employees follow UAE labor law, while Free Zone employees follow their Free Zone specific rules. 2. Mainland workers file complaints through MOHRE, while Free Zone employees report to their Free Zone authority first. 3. Legal escalation for Free Zone employees depends on their specific Free Zone's jurisdiction, with some cases going to DIFC, ADGM courts instead of UAE civil courts. Gratuity, benefits, and termination rules may differ between Free Zones and more regulated employment.